watching the channel. We got a special treat for you. We got the Zuru Smasher Dino Island! Oh.
Welcome to Dino Island!
Let's go! These Smasher Dino are super duper fun. Deuce got the Dinosaur. Sorry, got the Dinosaur. And JoJo got the Dinosaur. Alright guys, we're gonna bust these things open, guys. And let's get started. Let's open these Smasher Dino Island. Yeah, just rip it open. There you go. Do it from the side. There you go. You got it, guys. This Smasher Island comes with a dino skeleton. Wow, some dino slime, and guess what? 2 3D stickers and a surprise character inside, along with the instruction sheet. But we don't need it because we're gonna just bust it open. JoJo, show us what you got, Enzo.
Whoa, this is cool, guys. Look at the inside. Now we'll open it up, boys.
Yeah, boy.
Y'all can see the dino part right there.
Awesome, awesome. Sorry, you gonna get yours open today or tomorrow?
Today.
All right, let's go, Sawyer. Those are some cool 3D stickers. Oh yeah, look at that there. Oh, that looks like slime, JoJo.
Squish it hard and you see the bone.
Oh yeah, that is
The bone.
slime.
Oh!
Yeah, let's go, Sawyer.
Look at this.
Oh yeah, that's pretty awesome.
Wait, at the back? Is that at the back or something? Is that here?
Uh-oh.
What you got, JoJo? Oh
Golden
man.
elephants.
Let me
Oh
see.
yeah, what do you call it?
Oh, wow.
Oh man, that's back in the day when dinosaurs rammed the, no, what is it called?
The ice age.
Yeah, the ice age. They ruled the land.
Guys, look at this. Look, these are so cool. They're dino bones. See, guys? And you got raptor, Spinosaurus, a Megalodon, Triceratops, a Scraptor, Raptor, and T-Rex.
Oh, those are some cool 3D stickers. Guys, check out the 3D stickers.
Oh, let me see.
I'll put them on right now.
Oh, yeah, JoJo.
Dude, these plastic ones, I like these so much. I like the plastic ones.
Oh, yeah.
I like these kind.
What's that? What you got? Let's see.
I got me a golden little boogie thing. Bug. Ew, do they have a little thing to show like... Okay, they don't. You guys, let me open my pack again. Oh, it will be so cool, guys. Stickers. It's like a little pirate painting something. Let me see.
Oh, yeah, that's a sword.
No, that's a spear. That's
Oh,
spear.
that's a spear. Let me see.
Like caveman.
Let me see that. Okay, okay. Cool.
And now, guys, I think it's time to open the bones.
Hold on, guys. Wait a minute.
Now, I got it done already.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sorry, got his open.
Whoa, let me see. Let me see.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so slimy.
And look at the back.
Yeah, yuck.
Wow.
The back looks cool.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's like
yeah.
in a chest and a leg pops off the slime.
Yeah.
We need SimmBro Dad help.
All right, let me help. Let me get it open for you, Joey Joe.
Let me pour mine in DA now.
There you go, Enzo. Deuce,
Whoa,
got
that's
you.
yucky.
Open it up like a bag of chips. Yummy, yummy.
Let me see, guys. I want to see the inside. Let me see. Let me see the inside. Let me see.
Oh,
It's a joke.
this
Let me
is
see.
so disgusting. Yucky, yucky.
Whoa,
Let me see. Let me see, JoJo. Let me see yours.
Oh, look at Cyrus. Look at Cyrus.
Whoa.
Oh, look at Deuce. Deuce coming out now. Yeah, look at that. Guys.
Wow.
Got slimy. Look at Enzo.
Wow.
Big loans. Look like snot.
Yeah. It went from the racer speeders.
Oh no, guys! Look at this, guys! Oh, coronavirus. Yes.
Oh, guys. Look, take it out. Whoa!
Yeah, this is really slimy.
The bones. I took all the.
You got one out, one bone out. Put them in here when you get one bone. Put it in your other part of your.
Trying to get that gill. Oh, I got a leg.
Let me see.
The gill is just. Sorry, got golden. He got one of the legendary.
You got one. Let's see. Sire, you got
No,
one.
he
What you?
Wait, what?
What you?
Ew!
What, guys?
Ew!
What's wrong?
Hey, get off me!
Oh, what's wrong?
Ew!
Oh, look, boogers, snotty, slimy boogers. Booger on you. That is yucky, yucky, yucky. Don't try this at home, kids. Ugh, I mean, boogers everywhere. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. That's slime. Sorry. Back to the scheduled program.
I think I found a body.
Oh, let me see. Let me see. Oh, yes.
I found a part of the body.
Yes, you did.
Oh, I found
Let's see, did
another
you find another part?
Yep, I found
Let me see.
two.
Enzo, is this yours?
Yes. Oh no.
Oh, you found a part of the body too. This looks like.
We're down. I forgot to say. I have the other piece of my body.
Let me see, Sire.
Two bodies. Look.
Oh.
Wait a minute. Mine might just be that one. Mine might just be that one right there. I want that gold. Make that gold. Wait, what? I'm thinking.
What you got, JoJo? Let me see.
Let me get that slime upside down.
What you got, JoJo? What you taking out now? Is it the leg?
Yep. Hey guys.
Oh, that's the head,
Look
JoJo.
at this, Daddy.
Yeah.
I mean,
Mommy,
look at this.
let me see.
Look at this.
Oh.
His eye. It's like his teeth. Let me get Whoa, I got
That
my
looks like his head.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's like
wow.
his jaw. I see the instructions. It said he has two jaws, so you have to put them together with the neck.
Okay.
I'm holding the goo. Slimy.
You got everything out, JoJo?
Yes.
Let me see what you got.
That's my flipper.
Ooh.
Oh, this he was putting it. I found a leg. Ooh. Oh, it's like this. You can just wobble.
You found it. Oh, cool.
Get off, mate. Oh, I found his other jaw. The bones are very sticky. That's really quick. I guess. What? They're so sticky they stick. Yeah. It might be super goo. Yeah, it's like dino goo. This is super goo. Look how sticky it is. Look at these two parts.
Wow.
Together somehow. Starts golden one, golden. Let me get the rest of the slime off this guy.
Dude, tell them what they need to do.
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that little bell.
Dude, let's go. Show them what we got.
All right. There's the bones to the raptor. Next, Sire, show them what you have. The bones to the T-Rex. The golden T-Rex, that is. And Enzo has the bones to the Mosasaur. Wow. Let's start putting them together, guys.
Guys, these are really bony guys. These are sharp bones. These are the skeleton of the Dino Smasher Dinosaur from the Dino Island! Bruh. Out of breath there, guys. Yeah. Dude, you got a little booger on your nose there. I mean, your shoulder there.
Yeah, I know that.
Look like a little booger.
They're from you.
Yucky, slimy. Yeah. little yucky.
You gave them.
Oh yeah, guys, you're gonna put them together.
Whoa.
All right, guys, these are the steps.
Mine look cool.
First step, you're
already.
gonna take it and put it together with the skeletons.
Mine looks
each
so
side.
weird.
Then number 2, you're gonna take that part and put the arms. You're gonna snap it together. Number 3, you're gonna take these long arms. I don't know if that's an arm or a leg or tail or whatever it is. Put that together like that. Then you're gonna be able to stand. Once you do stand, you put the mount together and boom, number 6, there you go.
So weird. Look.
Oh, let's see.
I think this is the T-Rex.
That's the,
That's the raptor.
What?
Let me see.
Let me see. I got it.
Let me see, man. Let me see. Hold him.
Wait, where's my other arm? My other arm. Man, I wish I got that guy. Look, my arm. I got an arm right there, not an arm.
Yeah,
Let me see.
Let's see.
The guy, the ancient fossil. Look, the fossil moving. Now look, I got 2 arms. It probably wouldn't have been. Where's my arms? I can wait to see
Oh
my
yeah, look at those.
ram. Super
Those legs, long legs. Oh yeah, they just snap in. You push a little pressure on there, and just pop right in, guys. And then just
Wow, let me see him. Let me see. Oh wow, right like that. Let me see.
oh yeah, cool.
That's
teeth.
the T. Let me see. Turn him to the side. That's the T-Rex. Let me see yours. Even though we're missing a foot. Let's see.
I think I ate it on accident, guys.
What?
I think I ate it on accident. I got hungry.
Daddy.
I think I ate it when I accidentally took the slime and then just swallowed it on accident.
That's the Mosasaur.
Hey guys, check out these cool dino skeletons that we got from the Smashers! We have the T-Rex, we got the Raptor, and we got the
Mosasaur.
and it comes with some yummy, gummy, gooey, ooey, yucky, slimy slime! Yeah, boy! Looks like big block of snot. Yucky, yuck. But you guys, you can play with them. You can play with the slime all day. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Oh, watch out, sorry. Oops, sorry, JoJo. Oh, sorry. It's just so slimy, it just go everywhere. Dudes, where you go? You gotta tell them what they need to do.
Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that little bell.
We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
Yucky, yummy, look like slime.